There she is, the beautiful Regal Princess. This is a real adventure. I'm gonna get on that ship by myself. 60 and Sassy and Solo with mobility issues. So it'll be a challenge, but we'll see how it goes. Come on along. And there she is. Man, the ship is massive. And one of those right there is going to be my cabin. Very excited. Here we go. And we are on the ship, all decked out for Texas. This is the piazza. It is beautiful. Pictures do not really do it justice. Looking around, I think I'm on deck 6. Alfredo's is behind me. I'm not sure what's up there. Man, this place is gorgeous. Like the song says, good times. Let the good times begin. Here we are at Regal Princess, cabin E407, which is an obstructed deluxe balcony. So let's take a look inside. I know I personally was very interested to know how obstructed that balcony was. You first come in, there's a light switch. Come in and yeah, we'll come back to that later. On this side you have a nice big closet. And then a bunch of shelves and a safe. And then this is the restroom. Step up. And then it's a decent size. Nice sink. Some shelving. And then towels. A good sized shower. I know a lot of people don't like this kind. They would prefer the tub, but I actually prefer this. And then you got the toilet and some storage down there. Then you come back outside and there is a mirror that nobody wants to see. And then we go back into the cabin itself, and I have the bed arranged as a queen. You can actually split it into 2 twins. There's a nightstand on either side. It's a nice sized bed. Then there's a TV on this wall, and your temperature control is on this wall as well. And then we come on back here, and there is a desk. Has my patter on it, and a phone. And the thing to know about the Regal Princess is you only get 2 outlets. Use them wisely. I brought an adapter for charging my cell phones and whatever, that and my watch, that it's got 4 slots for charging 4 things. And then there's a nice chair for sitting at the desk. And then there's a table and a love seat, not quite a couch. Please ignore my backpack sitting there. Some nice artwork behind the couch. And then over here, my understanding that this is a refrigerator. It is. Okay, cool. And then on top of the refrigerator is a drawer. It's got your hair dryer, and then some glasses. And here is the big question on everyone's mind. How obstructed is the balcony? You tell me, do you see any obstruction? I sure don't. So, and I got a really good deal on this too. Let's see if I can figure out how to unlock the door. Apparently there is something I don't know. Oh, there it goes. And it's actually a bigger balcony, which is good for those look at that. I've got extra room, extra leg room. And then 2 chairs. The lovely port of Galveston. And let's see if there's any obstruction at all out there. I'm afraid to step down. Hold on. There we go. I have some mobility issues. Anyway, there's the lifeboats. And there's some down there. There is literally no obstruction. I have done my muster drill, and now I'm at Alfredo's for lunch. I was going to go up to the buffet, but my muster station was right next to Alfredo's, and the pizza smelled so good that I decided to stay here. It's very pretty. It's right off the piazza. They make the pizzas right there. And here is the pizza. It looks fabulous. It's a really good size. So, yum. There is so much cheese. It is literally dripping off the pizza. This is my kind of pizza. And you gotta have dessert. This is the tiramisu. Look at this thing. It looks absolutely fabulous. Hi, Mama D here. Welcome to my channel. 60 and Sassy and Adventures in Retirement. And today I'm on a real adventure. I'm on a princess cruise. And it's not just 60 and Sassy, it's 60 and Sassy and Solo. That's right, I'm on a solo cruise. Never done that before, so we're gonna give it a shot. I also have some mobility issues. I've hurt my knee, so getting around is a challenge. So this cruise is solo and mobility challenge. So if either of you have ever, if any of you have ever wanted to see if you could, what it's like to do either one, travel solo or travel with some mobility issues, this is the video for you. Anyway, I'm very excited. It's a 4-night cruise out of Galveston, and we're supposed to go to Cozumel, but this might be the cruise that almost wasn't. There was an incident yesterday. Another ship, the ship in the pier next to us, hit the dock, and it caused an oil leak, and it leaked into the water. Whoops. And it got onto our ship, and the entire port was closed. So no one was getting in and no one was getting out. They've been doing a lot of cleanup. They have to get, there's oil on our hull, they have to get that off. And because the whole port is closed, the fuel barge can't get in. So we obviously can't go anywhere if we don't have fuel. So we're waiting to see what happens. Right now we're still sitting at the dock at the port of Galveston, and that's fine. I mean, I'm on a cruise. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna sit out on my balcony, have a drink, and then just wander around the ship. It's dinner time. It's first night of the cruise, and tonight I am at the Symphony dining room on the Regal Princess. We still have not left the port. Hopefully soon. We're gonna have 4 days at the port of Galveston. But anyway, I'm gonna take a look at the menu. So tonight is the sail away dinner, and this is the menu. Come over here. Let me show you the dining room itself. It's quite lovely. So I got the Plus package, but it doesn't kick in until you leave. So I was going to get a glass of wine, but most of the bars aren't even open. I will see if the server can get me one. Anyway, it's quite lovely in here. Anyway, the Symphony dining room, deck 5. So the fettuccine alfredo was not good. I had like 3 or 4 bites. I can't even tell you what it's wrong, other than the noodles didn't really taste cooked enough. And the sauce is way too watery and basically has no taste. It's like undercooked noodles in milk. This is the dessert menu. Apparently the 3 at the top are only today, and everything below that they have every day. So I've been told by several people I must have the Love Boat Dream, so I have ordered that. And I also ordered the chocolate hazelnut souffle. So this is the Love Boat Dream dessert. It's apparently specific to Princess and to this ship. Apparently the Regal Princess is the Love Boat 2.0. And this is a chocolate hazelnut souffle that looks absolutely fabulous. So, yeah, I'm going to be so stuffed tonight. You can tell that the boat is in Texas. They got the big Texas flag. I'm in the piazza at night, and there is a band playing. Lots of people just hanging out. Some people dancing. And it's just a pretty good atmosphere for a boat that's not going anywhere. So I'm sitting out here on my balcony, overlooking the beautiful port of Galveston, because we still haven't left. I do love my balcony though. It's so big, and it is not obstructed in any way. But yeah, if you ever want to see Galveston at night, there you go. Yeah, now we're not leaving until the morning. Apparently there is some cleanup that didn't get done before it got dark, and they need daylight to get that cleaning done. So we're here until, I believe the captain said, late morning. So the stop at Cozumel has been canceled. We're probably going to have a cruise to nowhere. I have not had a real vacation in years, and I don't care if this boat sits here for 4 days. I'm not getting off the ship. I know a number of people are upset because we're still at port, so the casinos aren't open. Those that have the Princess Plus or Princess Premier package, the alcohol part doesn't work because we're still in port. There's only a handful of bars open, and they're running out of beer. You do not want to run out of beer in Texas. No. So, but I'm up here on my balcony. It is beautiful out here. I love my balcony, so I'm good. I'll keep you posted on what happens tomorrow.